G'day, welcome to Johnny Len Outdoors. Where we're fishing, camping, or hunting, we've got you sorted. First cast, just chucked a bit of old bonito fillet out and got a little flounder. I haven't caught a flounder in the Shoalhaven lately, so that's good to see. Anyway, I'll chuck this one back and get onto it. We were just setting up and I thought I'd flick a rod out. Got one. Here we go, got our third keeper of the day. We just seem to be having a really good day on the Flatties, on the Flathead today. Mixture of just old bonito, fillet and just some prawns. Yeah, doing well. No, just a bit lower. We've just got a keep in it here where we're keeping the others, and that one's about to go into keeping it too. Made a tomato, cucumber, and mint with just olive oil, salt and pepper, salsa kind of thing, the bully thing, whatever. And then we've got some of the flathead. We chopped it up, put some seasoning on it, just the coating thing there, and then we just chuck that in. Wait, alright, go.
This is Johnny Len's fishing. Let's see how we go. We got some fresh fish. Here we go. Let's taste it by itself. You really got to taste the flavours. Robust.
What type of fish is earlier?
Fresh and bussin'. The salsa. It's already, as you can see, it's already on here, ready to go. You got a little bit of special, little extras for the top, you know. Sometimes you got a little surf and turf coming in this bitch. Alright. My favourite. A light drizzling.
Light?
Light drizzling. Right. Let's see how the catch and cook went. Roll her up. Little finished product. It smells delicious.
Oh, she's turned up.
Oh no.
So a little suspense before the first bite.
Get a big bite, and a big bite.
Out of 10, what do you give it out of 10?
Absolute bussin'.
Bussin'.
Busting out of 10?
Absolute bussin'. I'm giving it a hard 9.
Wow.
Hard 9.
Give it out of 10.
Hey, not only did he catch it, he cooked it himself.
Well, man, makes it a hard
Well,
9.
Holden helped cook. Holden did most of the cooking, actually. All of the cooking, I should
Hard
say.
9, hard 9.
Holden's cooking.
That's the Johnny Len Outdoors experience.
Like and subscribe.